After you save your first message, you are the first contact and the default receiver. Adding more contacts is easy. Type in the first and last name and the phone number of the person who will receive your updates and reminders. You can add multiple contacts at once by importing a CSV file. When you add a new contact, a text message is sent out with the invitation link to go download the Sig2 mobile app. Contacts simply authenticate with their phone number. It's fast, easy, and secure. When contacts confirm their phone number, they display in the list as verified. If there's no response after 1 day, you can send the invitation again. You can organize your contacts into groups. Select contacts, add them to the group. Choose the group type: a team, a property, a location or an area, even a project or an event. Give the group a name and save. To pause a group from receiving messages, simply switch it to inactive. Groups can be edited to add new contacts, or when needed, contacts can be removed. Next, we'll create a new smart reminder and assign it to be heard by your receivers in the field.